So these are the lungs again. You're just going to see this on the test. That's why I figured I'd do it again. So the heart is in the mediastinum, which is between the lungs. This is the right internal jugular vein. It's thick. You see how it's thick here. This is the right subclavian vein, and this is the right brachiocephalic vein, and it goes into the superior vena cava, into the right atrium. This is the left internal jugular vein, and this is great because now you can see the left external jugular vein. See, they don't join like the carotids do. This is the left subclavian vein and joins with the internal and then the external jugular veins to form the left brachiocephalic vein, which also goes to the superior vena cava, right atrium. For here, this is the heart and then the ascending aorta, the aortic arch, and again you have the three things off of it, so you can watch the heart video for that. When you take these things off, you can see the trachea, and if you look here, there's the trachea nice and open with cartilage, and there's the esophagus. There should not be any blue right here. There is no cartilage at the back of the trachea. There's only muscle, and it's called trachealis muscle. Okay, so this is the trachea with the tracheal cartilage. Come down here. Here's the carina. This is the right primary bronchus, left primary bronchus. If you continue, right, this is the first fork, primary bronchus. Second fork, so these are the secondary bronchi. Each one secondary bronchus. So as I come down one of them, here it is, and there's a third fork. So then these are tertiary bronchi. So the bronchi, primary, secondary, and tertiary, are for air. The blood vessels don't have primary, secondary, and tertiary. Those are just for the blood. So these are left pulmonary veins, and these are left pulmonary arteries. Remember that the colors are switched in the lungs. Okay, and this right here is the right primary bronchus. You see where it splits right here? That would be the right secondary bronchi. This is the diaphragm underneath. This is the esophagus. So the esophagus comes where the stomach would be here. Inferior vena cava, abdominal aorta, and this is the thoracic aorta because it's above the diaphragm. Hold on. Sorry. Okay, so right here you have the hyoid, the epiglottis. This is the thyroid cartilage, thyrohyoid membrane, cricoid cartilage, which gets really big in the back, much wider. And this is the cricothyroid ligament. This is the first tracheal, so that would be, well, it's kind of hard to see here, would be the cricotracheal ligament, and then the trachea here. Okay, and then this is the thyroid gland. In the back here, kind of hard to see these, but I don't know if you can see inside there, would actually be the true, or just call them vocal cords or vocal folds. If I open it up, now you can really see it, the vocal cords right here, and to the trachea. And then remember, this is the thyroid cartilage. This is the cricoid cartilage, bigger in the back than in the front. Epiglottis right here. So if we see it on the bigger one, this is what it looks like. Hyoid, thyroid cartilage, thyrohyoid membrane, cricothyroid ligament, cricotracheal ligament, tracheal cartilage. This is the cricoid cartilage. And here the back of the trachea is known as the trachealis muscle. Here is the arytenoid cartilage here, and then you would have the corniculate cartilage, but I'll show you that on a bigger model. And again, you should see the two vocal cords or vocal folds, either way you want to say it. This is the epiglottis that's going to cover it, and this space here is called the glottis. You do it on the big model. This is the hyoid bone. This is the thyroid cartilage. Here is the epiglottis right here, which would cover. And then these two are the vocal cords or vocal folds. These two things that look like capital A's, here, these two things, are arytenoid cartilage. Here, sorry. Arytenoid cartilage. So here, like a big capital A. The little thing on top looks like a candy corn. This is corniculate cartilage. This is the cricoid cartilage, trachealis, thyroid cartilage, cricoid cartilage, tracheal cartilage. The tube is the trachea.